Today you must learn how to do your brows. So you first powder it down, at least that's how I do mine. Then you brush the hairs into place. Don't laugh at my scanty brows though. Thank you. You get a sharp pencil, emphasis on sharp, and then you begin to draw steady strokes. Emphasis on steady, because if you go and draw it bala bala, when it's time for you to use concealer too, it will be stressing you. So the neater your base is, the easier it is for you to conceal. I don't know if you are getting it. So hope you are following what I'm doing now. I'm now filling it in with tinier strokes, and then I'm doing the same thing for the other side as well. So I go in from the bottom, then the one at the top, I don't start from the beginning, as you can see, before I now start putting these hair-like strokes at the beginning part to fill it in and make it look as if it's brows. We all know it's not brow spots. Yeah, you get the point. Check is it all right? It's all right. Then you go in to conceal. So personally, I can use any brush to conceal, but if you're a beginner, a tapered I won't say angled brush, because an angled brush can actually make you make mistake, but then a round-ended flat brush would be the best in my opinion. So you go in and just follow the line. At the beginning part, you use your shade of foundation to conceal the beginning part, and then you just blend it into the ending part that you already used concealer to conceal before. Are we following? Please be following. And then you just blend it all together. Okay, I'm just adding finishing touches, and then you take a fluffy brush, clean fluffy brush, clean fluffy brush, and then you begin to pat that on the concealer and blend it out onto the rest of your eyelid. Are we following? Then now for the top, you go in with your shade of your foundation again, and then you just clean it. I don't clean from the beginning at the top. I just clean from the same place where I started drawing the brows from. Don't know if we are following. Hope we are following. Sometimes I can get it in one stroke. Sometimes it might not go in one stroke. Anyhow, we are following our natural brow shape, and then you just continue making tiny adjustments like that. Your hand must be steady. If your hand is shaking, it will do somehow. It will do jaga jaga. I don't know what else to tell you, but your hand should be steady. And now that we are done with that, I'm just using the leftover to brush it out, and then the same brush balance. Now we repeat the same thing for the next side too. This time I'm going to leave you to watch it closely. And we have come to the end of this video. Your brows should be as identical as possible. Please like, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.